Most IELTS students are making this huge mistake in IELTS writing. And the worst part is, they don't even realize that they're making it. In this video, I'll show you how to avoid it, how to fix it, and never make this mistake again to boost up your score. So stay tuned. The mistake is using commas the wrong way. Yup. That little symbol that you see in writing and you're using either too often or too less is killing your band score. Use it too often or too less and the examiner will think your writing is unclear. Here is a common example that I see all the time. This is not how you should use the comma. And here is the corrected version. And this is how you should be aiming to use the comma. Now you must be thinking, how much band can I lose by just using the comma wrong? Well, 1 or 2 errors, no problem. You can still get above a band 7. But if your commas are everywhere, you lose a band or the examiner reduces your score by half a band. And that can drop you from a band 7 or above to 6.5 or 6 just because you used the punctuation wrong. How crazy is that? The fix is to use commas only when necessary to separate ideas, like after linking words or in lists. If you're not sure how to use it or where to use it and you don't have enough time to practice, keep the sentences short. Remember, clarity is equal to higher band score. So don't let commas destroy your score. Have you been guilty of this mistake? Leave a comment down below and let's encourage each other to fix our writing with correct use of punctuation. Are you preparing for IELTS and you want a high band score, but you're stuck between reading traps, writing mistakes, and speaking nerves? Well, you're not alone. But the good news is that you don't have to struggle anymore. After 7 years of experience with IELTS, I've created a complete IELTS mastery course. It has things from 500 synonyms required for reading to amazing idioms that help you get a high band score in speaking, proven structures for writing task 1, academic, general, and writing task 2 with actual band 9 samples with a range of 6.5 to 9 and why this is a 6.5, why it's a 7, why it's an 8, and how to get to 9. Listening strategies with actual examples, plus topic-based vocabulary banks, grammar fixes, and linking words that examiners love. And here is the actual best part. I'm not saying this out of the blue. My students have actually achieved a band 7, 7.5, an 8, an 8.5, and even a band 9 in reading, listening, speaking, you name it. This course is not just about IELTS. It's about opening doors to opportunities, universities, and careers that are your dream. So if you're actually serious about getting your dream band score, I have attached the course link in the description of this video. Click on it and let's make IELTS your success story. And if you want more grammar and writing strategies, watch my other videos on my channel and hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.